Good evening, student. So this is today's topic: structures and properties of the fructose. You have studied about the biomolecules, classification, structures of glucose, chemical properties and structures of glucose. Now we are going to the structure and properties of fructose. Fructose is an example of monosaccharides. It contains 6 carbon and it is ketohexoses. That means 6 carbon are present and a ketone group. That means you can say this is ketoses, or you can say this is polyhydroxyketone. The formula of fructose is C6H12O6, and the structure of fructose, it contains 2 primary alcohol group, 1 ketone group as well as 3 secondary alcohol group. So how we will draw the structure? First structure, that is open chain structure of fructose. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, 5, 6. There are 6 carbon as it is given in the formula. You must know that fructose is the sweetest sugar. Its rank in sweetness is first in all the carbohydrates. It is white crystalline solid and it is soluble in water. So this is the carbon number 1 where it is CH2OH group, while on carbon number 6 it is also a CH2OH group. On carbon number 2 there should be a ketone group, so C double bond O. And this is carbon number 3 and carbon number 5. This decide D or L or plus or minus. If you write here H this side, it indicate D, and OH this side. If you write here OH and this side H, so it will be minus. This side OH minus, this side H plus. Reverse of this, that will be H and OH. So this is the open chain structure of fructose, and its name will be D minus fructose. Dear student, you can draw the structure like this. This is called open chain structure, but at the time of the reaction we have not to indicate this full type of structure. You can write when you are doing any reaction CH2OH, single bond C, double bond O, single bond CH, OH, whole thrice, single bond CH2OH. So in the structures you are seeing, this is primary alcohol group, 1 degree alcohol. This is also a primary alcohol group. This is secondary alcohol group. These 3, that means 1, 2 and 3, secondary alcohol group. And this is 1 ketone group. In this way you can say this is the structure of fructose. It contains no aldehyde group. In fructose there is a difference from the glucose. Glucose contains 1 aldehyde group, 4 secondary alcohol group, 1 primary alcohol group, while in the fructose 1 ketone group, 2 primary alcohol group and 3 secondary alcohol group. If you want to draw the closed chain structure, that means cyclic structure, or you can say Fischer projection formula as well as Haworth projection formula. So what we have to do, we have to close this carbon number 2 and carbon number 6. So how we will draw the Fischer projection formula of fructose? Please see, student. So we are going to draw the Fischer projection formula. That means cyclic structure. In that, first we have to number the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are going to start from the carbon number 2. This is carbon number 2. then 3, 4, 5 and 6. What happened in the Fisher projection formula? The H of this 6 number carbon of OH group will move towards the carbon number 2. This H will go here and convert this oxygen into alcohol group. So we write OH like this, and on this carbon you are seeing one CH2OH, and you should write CH2OH in this side. So keep in your mind, this is the carbon number 2 where you are seeing that OH doubly bonded oxygen is converted into OH group. If you are placed the OH in the right side direction, so it will be called alpha. If you write OH in this direction, so it will be called beta. So this is alpha. Now what we have to do, this carbon, that means this carbon number 2 will be connected to this carbon number 6 with ethyl oxygen. That means this and this will be connected, this oxygen, and this oxygen come from here. You are seeing H gone here, it convert this to OH, and this oxygen convert into here, which connect carbon number 2 and carbon number 6. Now see the carbon number 3 here, what you are seeing, carbon number 3, this side that is OH, it indicate negative. So this is negative. Carbon number 4, reverse of this, so right side H and left side OH. In carbon number 5, left side H, it indicate the D, right side OH. Now see there are two H here left, so we will attach H like this and like this. So this is, dear student, alpha D minus fructose. Now how we will draw the other derivatives, that means other isomer of this. If we reverse the position of alcohol group on carbon number 2, so this will be beta. So how you will draw the beta? See here, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, carbon number 6, this side OH and this side CH2OH. So this indicate beta. Connect carbon number 2 with ethyl oxygen with carbon number 6. Now in this position, this is H in left side, carbon number 5, so it indicate D, and this is OH left side, right side H, this indicate minus. Now reverse of this, that's mean H this side and OH this side and H this side. So this is beta D fructose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 hydrogen must be attached like this. Beta D fructose. I think you got how to prepare the Fisher projection formula. These two are the Fisher projection formula, and it is also called cyclic structure. You can say alpha D minus fructose and beta D minus fructose. Okay students? One more important type of structure of fructose, that means you can say of carbohydrate, that is Haworth projection formula. In that cyclic type of structure, and that will be called pyranose structure, and in case of fructose maybe furanose structure also. So what structures we call pyranose structure? We can draw only the pyranose structure by seeing the Fisher projection formula. As you know, this is alpha D minus fructose and that is beta D minus fructose. This is carbon number 2, carbon number 3. You are seeing that this is the left side of the carbon and this is the right side of the carbon. How you will draw the Haworth projection formula? By seeing the Fisher projection formula. So Haworth projection formula has pyranose structure or furanose structure. Pyranose structure. First we are going to draw the pyranose structure. I am drawing this is carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, carbon number 6 and 6 is connected with 2 number carbon with oxygen. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 number carbon is connected through ethyl oxygen with 6 number carbon. What you are seeing carbon number 2 on the left hand side, this is CH2OH. So left hand side means upper side of this carbon, and we have to write CH2OH here. And right side you are seeing that is OH, so you have to write OH on downside. This carbon number 3 you are seeing OH on the left hand side and H at the right hand side. So this is carbon number 3 and OH on top side and H on bottom side. On carbon number 4 you are seeing OH and downside it is H. On carbon number 5 you are seeing this is H and OH. So top side H and bottom side OH. Carbon number 6, this is carbon number 6, there is only 2 H here. So how you will write H upside and H bottom side. So what will be the name of this compound? This is the Haworth projection formula, and we have drawn by seeing this alpha D minus fructose. So it will be called alpha D minus fructopyranose. Fructopyranose, or you can say Haworth projection formula alpha D minus fructose. Similarly, we can draw the beta D minus fructopyranose by saying this, and this is your question. Draw the beta D minus fructopyranose structure. This is your question. You have to do this question and you have to submit this question on my WhatsApp number. Okay? Yes, students, we have drawn the 5 structure. 1 is open chain structure, 2 is Fisher projection formula, and 1 I have drawn Haworth projection formula, 1 I have given to do you. And 2 more structure that they are called furanose structure. As we know that furan containing 5-membered ring containing 4 carbon and 1 oxygen. This ring is called furan ring. This type of structure is called furanose structure, and it is also drawn in the according to the Haworth. And how you will draw? First you see, if we draw the open chain structure, that is CH2OH, single bond C, double bond O, single bond C, 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 and CH2OH. What we do, and this is OH this side, H this side, H this side, OH this side, H this side, OH this side. This is carbon number 2, this is carbon number 4, 5. From 5 number carbon, this is OH, H of this H go to this carbonyl group and convert this oxygen into alcohol group. So this can be written like this. H will be removed here. Now this oxygen, ethyl oxygen, is attached with carbon number 2 like this. That's mean 2 number carbon and 4 number carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 number and 5 number carbon are connected through ethyl oxygen and form a furanose structure. So in the form of Haworth, how you will draw this structure? See, this is carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, and 5 is connected with carbon number 2 with ethyl oxygen. Again see, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 5 is connected with oxygen. This is 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number. So 2 is connected through this. Now see, what happen if you attach OH right side and CH2OH left side? So it will be called alpha. So CH2OH top side and OH bottom side, that's mean alpha. On carbon number 5 you are seeing H and CH2OH. This is H and CH2OH. So carbon number 5 CH2OH we have to attach top side and H bottom side. Now carbon number 3, this is 3 number you are seeing, this is OH and H. This indicate minus and D. Carbon number 4, that's mean left side H, that's mean top side H and bottom side OH. So this is, first you have to count the number of carbon, oxygen, hydrogen in this structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. See hydrogen 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct. Alpha D fracto furanose. Alpha D minus fractofuranose. How you will draw the beta D fractofuranose structure? Only this OH will go this side and CH2OH will come this side. So that will be the beta D minus fractofuranose. So question number 2 to you, to draw the structure of beta D minus fractofuranose. Beta D, you have to draw the structure of beta D minus fractofuranose. Dear student, what is the difference between the glucose and fructose? Clearly, as we have studied in the glucose, that glucose can convert Fehling solution into red precipitate. When glucose reacts with Fehling solution, it forms red precipitate because it contains aldehyde group. In case of fructose, you are not seeing any aldehyde group here. Here you are seeing OH group, that means ketone group or OH group. So fructose do not give Fehling test, and on addition of Fehling solution on fructose, it will not form red precipitate. So it is a difference between glucose and fructose. Second difference between glucose and fructose, glucose gives silver mirror with tolerance reagent and fructose does not give this test. So if you want to distinguish between glucose and fructose, you can give these two tests, but one similarity is of the test, that is by phenylhydrazine. Glucose react with phenylhydrazine in excess, form yellow precipitate of OSA zone, and that also fructose will give. So I think, dear student, you have got everything about the fructose and glucose, and you can write the properties of glucose, fructose. Now tomorrow we will teach about the next topic, that will be sucrose, structure of lactose, maltose and galactose with the starch and cellulose. So wait for next video. Thank you. Good night.